There is life and there is death. None are easy. With death, we celebrate life. In Jamaica, we call it Nine Night. Originating in West Africa, Nine Night is a funeral tradition that is embedded in Jamaican culture. With every tradition there are rules. You must have rum and you must have food. Music must be playing. There will be singing, there will be dancing. After all, it is a celebration. Food rule number 1, you have to have a curry goat. It should be cooked on site, it should be seasoned, it should have flavor, and it must have pepper. But the original food of the Nine Night, fried fish with bread or bami. Nine Nights are usually kept at the deceased house. For tradition holds that on the 9th night, the spirit passes through the party to say goodbye before transitioning to its final resting place.
I come for work, but the man have me at work. But I know say Shane when they have to work, cause curry have to cook and I get have to cook. That is it, brother. Pot of run. I mean a man to think man pot of run. But okay. Okay. So I'm not taste out our pot of yeah man, I smell ginger and that.
Traditionally, a table would be set up with food for the deceased. No one would be allowed to eat from the food until after midnight, for it is believed that the spirit passes through the party at midnight to say goodbye and have a final meal with friends and family. Some traditions believe that the food is packed up by the spirit to be taken on the journey, for the spirit knows not how long its journey shall be.
This one I get to knock out pocket. Yeah man, more pepper.
Pass the water for me now, please. put it on top of that.
Oh man, good.
No man, more taste. More taste.
It's a pepper seed. What's up? Just sample it.
Let me tell you when to stop. Go on. Pour water. Alright. Feet. Forward. Cup your hand, man. Then if you taste the gravy with it, too. Cover it.
Cover it good. Go on, man.
Now, man, you try.
Go through. Me just sample it, you know. I want the pepper soak a little more before I go back in.
Try this.
Me want pepper. Yeah, man, I smell a white rum now.
Oh, Matthew.
Go through, man. You have too much sitting in my hand.
Try this.
Then have some potato and carrot.
For what? For which part?
Tradition has changed from being a classical wake to now being a celebration of life, a party, a cookout, a dance, a get together for friends, family, for the community. There are stories, there is laughter, and there are tears.
Ready flat.
I gotta come in now, be a bonus. Let's grab up and shake off the gravy. That'll be all that.